This week, we are going to cover how to test and debug your application. So some of this is probably going to be review for a lot of you. And so the lecture demo and the hands-on are not going to take all that long. So we also have a unit test that is open book, open note with no time limit. So in our apps, we've been basically testing on a default browser. So you will learn how to actually select all the browsers you want to test on and run those tests all at one time. You will also learn how to add and remove breakpoints and trace points. You will be learning how to do both. You will download this app that has an error in it. It's purposefully in there. It'll compile, but you will end up with a runtime error in there. And then there's also it's an error that it's not a runtime error, but it creates a display error. So you'll be fixing some errors. And while you're doing that, you will be kind of reviewing breakpoints and trace points. Also, how to use different error handling windows that are available. Then we get into exception errors and tracing those errors. And then there is an app, another one that you will download that has errors in it that are very similar to the errors that were in that Chapter 5 app that you would have already downloaded and fixed. And so with this app, you will have similar errors that you will be using the different debugging methods to determine how to fix those. So the assignment is actually really short. The unit test, as I mentioned, it's covering the first 5 chapters. There's 50 true, false, and multiple choice questions. Each question is worth 1 point. And it's open book, open note. So I do encourage you to, if you're not sure of an answer, to look it up. And then we do have a discussion exercise. And so basically, this is going to talk about your term project and, you know, what you are thinking about for your term project's design. And so I've got some different references here to help you with some of the design decisions that you still need to make. And then here are the items, design issues, or decisions that I would like you to share with the class. If you have problems or questions this week, please ask. I am here to help you, and have an awesome week. Oh, one other thing, I did provide an ebook for you guys, Web Design for Developers, in case you are interested. It's nothing you're going to be tested on, but sometimes it's nice to have those resources.